Today we're gonna do a DIY. Welcome to the magical world of woodworking! So guys, today we are gonna make a memory box.
I'm going to make a memory box for my family because they're very, very special to me.
I will also be making a memory box for my family to capture all of the wonderful memories. So to start our wood box, we are going to have to cut more pieces in the same size as this one. So what you want to do is place your piece of wood on this one and make sure it's flat. Then you're going to take your pencil and mark where you have to cut it.
So our cut is make sure the blade is on the line because you must cut it. So it's on the line now.
So remember to hold it firmly.
The next step is to sand the planks. Next, we're going to put the sides of the box together.
We are going to glue the edges together and then clamp it.
So, the job.
It's magic time! Let's hammer it down.
Next step, you must put the bottom in.
To make our box magnificent, we are going to use some of these designs and I'm going to pick this one.
Then I will pick this one and we will spray paint with this. Next up, ninja's time.
Today we're also learning to use a wood burning tank.
Decoration time. Almost there, varnish time.
We had such a magical time creating these beautiful memory boxes.
It was hard, but I'm happy with my results. Woo!